Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. People are building entire businesses with AI tools without ever showing their face. But how do you actually start one yourself? In this video, I'll break it down step by step so you can launch your own faceless channel today. First things first, Faceless YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Your first videos won't be perfect, and that's okay. What matters is that you show up, keep going, and give yourself time to grow. Think of this as building a skill, not playing the lottery. Your niche is your foundation. Choose a topic where you can provide value, and ideally, where people are willing to spend money. 3 hot niches right now: AI and tech, side hustles, and storytelling. Not all faceless videos are the same. Some formats are fast and simple, others take more work. 3 easy ones to start with are AI animation and storytelling, stock footage with voiceover, text-based or whiteboard explainers. Pro tip: start simple. The easier it is, the faster you'll learn. Next, set up your channel the right way. Pick a clear name, add a banner that shows your niche, and write a keyword-rich description. Tools like ChatGPT or vidIQ can help you find the right keywords so YouTube shows your videos to the right audience. Here's the secret: titles and thumbnails get people to click, but storytelling keeps them watching. Use curiosity and value in your titles. Change visuals every few seconds. End with a teaser for your next video. This is how you build retention. When you upload, optimize everything: your title, description, and tags. Test thumbnails. Share your video in the first 24 hours to give it that push. And don't forget your end screen. Always guide viewers to your next video. So how do you actually make money? YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, your own digital products, sponsorships. Start small, build trust, and grow into bigger revenue streams. That's how faceless channels turn into real businesses. Starting a faceless YouTube channel with AI is possible for anyone if you stay consistent. Soon, I'll share more videos diving deeper into tools, strategies, and case studies. And I'm also working on a premium ebook packed with step-by-step guides and extra resources to help you build faster. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss it. And remember, there is no perfect time to start, so just start now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.